Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that mathematical operations on the set. Okay, we discussed that what mathematical operations on the set. So what are those? Means union. Union means we can use union function to return all elements present in both the sets. We can use union function to return all elements present in both sets. And this is the way how we can do. Means this is the way. Okay, it seems I forgot to add the code. Let me union function x dot union of print of x dot union of y. Print x or y. Intersection means and symbol. Okay, observe the output. So this is nothing but what a union function. This is nothing but what a union function. Okay, this is nothing but what a union function. Next, intersection. Intersection means it returns a common element present in both sets, that is x and y. Okay, that is nothing but what a x and y. Next, syntax. Difference means syntax means this is the one. Okay, this is the way we can use. Next, difference. Returns the element present in both x but not in y. Okay, returns element present in x but not in y. Okay, this is the syntax. Next, symmetric difference. Okay, this is nothing but what a symmetric difference. Symmetric difference means it returns element present in either x or y but not in both. Okay, this is the syntax. This is nothing but what we discussed as part of in the last session. So today we are going to discuss about what membership operators in Python. Okay, today we are going to discuss about membership operators. Membership operators. Membership operators. Operators in Python. Membership operators in Python. Okay, membership operators in Python. Membership operators in Python means there are two there are two operators. Membership operators. Operators in Python. In and not in. Okay, observe here first what I am taking means I am taking one set. Okay, I am taking one set. So set I am taking means S is equal to set of Sai Kumar I am taking. I am taking S is equal to set of Sai Kumar. Okay, this is the way of creating set. This is the way of creating set. I am printing set. Okay, I am printing what set. In that first what I am asking means in that first what I am asking first I am asking that A in S. A in S or not. Okay. A is available. Okay. When A is available, it's going to return true. Okay. Same question I'm asking in reverse. Okay. A not in S I'm saying. A not in S. Okay. Here I'm asking A in S. Okay. A in S means A is available. Yes, true. I'm saying that A is not available. When A is not available, we are saying false. So A is available. So that time it will return false. That time it will return false. Okay. Next, next print. The same question what I am asking means x, x in A. Okay, I am asking x in A. X in A. First I am asking x in A. I am asking that x in A. X is available in A. So not there means it will be false. The same thing I am asking reverse. X not in A. X not in A means here what it will be the result true. Okay. Observe here true false false true. True false false true. Okay. True false. What is this? A is not defined. Okay. A is what not defined. What not defined? S and S. True false false true. Okay. True false false true. This is nothing but we this is nothing but what membership operators. Membership operator concept is same in everywhere. Okay. Membership operator concept is same in everywhere. Okay. In list, set, tuple and string concept also membership operators concept will be the same, but will use in the different format. That means set and these are different, right? So that's why there will be some difference. Okay, this is the thing but what membership operators. Okay, next concept is nothing but what set comprehension. Okay, set comprehension. Next concept is nothing but what set comprehension. Okay, set comprehension. Next concept is nothing but what set comprehension. Set comprehension is set comprehension supported in Python. Set comprehension supported in Python. Set comprehension supported in Python. That means set comprehension supported in Python. So the syntax, the same syntax. S is equal to expression for item in sequence. Expression for item in sequence. Okay, for expression for item in a sequence. Observe here I am taking set comprehension. S is equal to first I am taking expression. That means I am trying to find the square of a number. I am trying to find the square of a number for x in range of 5. For x in range of 5. Once it is completed, what I am doing? I am printing that x. Okay, I am printing that what x. Now observe here. Now what is the type of x? Okay, type of x. This is nothing but what type. Okay. Next, the same result I'm taking 2. Okay. Here what I'm taking means 2 power x. Okay, 2 power x, and here what I am taking 2 comma 10 comma 2. Okay, observe here s s. Okay, observe the output 0 1 4 9 16. This is nothing but what the type set. Okay, type is nothing but what set here. And one more thing what I am doing, 2 power 2 to 10. When even numbers I am finding 2 square. Okay, this is nothing but what this is the result. Okay, this is nothing but what result. Clear, right? Clear. So this is nothing but what set comprehension. Okay, this is nothing but what set comprehension. Okay, thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please reach out to my email ID in the given description or post your query in the comment section. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.